Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I'm just finishing up a this is IntelliVision Purist controller, and this is a kind of a neat. This is a Space Cadet. You can really see how the 16 directions there actually is there, so you can actually trace out the circle of the little planetoid pretty easily here. So yeah, this is of course this is the version 2.0. So if anyone's out there who wants to upgrade their original to the 2.0, you can just email me at retro@cyberfreak.com. I'm sure you've gotten emails when you originally shipped it too, and if you want to upgrade, let me know and I'll go ahead and do that. But you can see how well the 16 direction works. Alright, down there. There. Very precise now. You see how subtle you can actually make the 16 directions like really like spot on now. This is what I wanted originally. I'm just really happy now with how it turned out. You can see kind of cool actually how well it works now. But yeah, that's the True 16 in action. Let's play one more quick game here. Starting to get caught up on orders. I'm gonna have 2 going out tomorrow, and probably another 1 or 2 going out the day after. So I'll be pretty much caught up with IntelliVision orders soon. And I'll switch back to Atari. Ooh, Popeye. Can't touch him. Let's see. You can punch and you can punch. Yeah. You can see how nice and precise your timing can be, even in a game like this. Finally, can't play this without Tron, can we? Heard the new movie's pretty awful. Just sad. I like Tron. I actually saw it in the theater, like the original when I was a kid. It was very cool back in the day. Haha, 3 at once. Nice. Even though it doesn't need to be, but Tron actually is a 16 direction game. No idea why, but there it is. I can make a nice little gentle circle with them. Alright. Yeah, I'm really liking the Purist layout actually. Nothing wrong with any of them, but I kind of digging the Purist. Of course, I grew up on Atari, so right-handed stick's nice. It's a great game to test the keypad on. And I use pinball to make sure the 1, 2, 3. Actually, I was wrong. This is 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3 is the order of this. Oh yeah, so yesterday I went out to the did a meetup with the Chicagoland. Oh, there's the Chicagoland Atari Chicagoland Alliance, which is kind of fun. Ended up fixing a the gentleman had a Atari 5200, and one of the pins had snapped on the pins had snapped that was for the x-axis potentiometer, so it just slammed hard on to the right. So it actually cracked off at the bend, the right angle of the connection. I feel this game's a lot easier with this joystick than the original. Close. Shoot, shit. Blocked. How do we get back up? Oh, there we go. Yeah, like I said, I actually I saw Tron in the original theater, back in the day, back when I was a youth. That was cool. I actually enjoyed Legacy a bit too. There's some Uncanny Valley stuff going on, but no worse than the other modern movie. Yeah, so I had to meet up with the guys. For fixing some systems. And I was able to demo one of my controllers here. Real huge difference between the original one of these suckers, particularly the IntelliVision II. Ooh, that this is a piece of work there. Yeah, this is working out real nice. So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting the labels on this and get this shipped out. And yeah, again, I'm getting caught up on the controller front, which is good. And I'll have a bunch of 5200 controllers are in the wings right now, which is fine. Those are still selling pretty nice. I did have to adjust the price on the television controllers a little bit. It's take a lot more labor than I originally thought. So can you do? Need my Bayer ruler in a second. For printing. I actually got to see one of Retro Game Boy's controllers as well. It's for the 5200. 3D prints the entire enclosure. That's a lot of film. I purchased my enclosures and then cut them on the CNC, so a little bit different. His artwork is excellent. I'll give him that. Really nice. His style is very, very good. Mine are a little more brutalist, but very, very functional. It's good having competition, though. Nothing wrong with that. It's the free market, man. I've never actually spoken with I think Michael might be his name, with Retro Game Boys. So you can see he had the 5200 control. He has a 5200 digital controller. He also has the IntelliStick as well. That uses, I think he uses batteries. I think almost certainly he's using AND gates for the some of the logic on here. I did more of a kind of a one-to-one electrical. So that's like the biggest difference between the controllers. I don't use any kind of external power or batteries. It's just straight up wire. Only 6 diodes in the whole thing. Serial number. And this guy is good to go. Yeah, that's how they turn out. So I'll get this boxed up shortly. And everyone have a great night. And where did my mouse go?